It's the cutest little cake you ever did see. Bento box cakes have taken the dessert world by storm. Perfectly portable, this sweet is a charming bite-sized statement. Amber Spencer joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share the how-to. These are darling.
They're so fun.
All right, so a bento cake by definition is what?
Okay, so when you think of bento, you think of like the cute little curated lunchbox that moms with way more patience than I make for their kids. But instead of filling it with like cut out cucumbers or rosettes, we are filling it with cake. So it's like easy to go. You just take a fork and
take it and go. So little compartments?
Well, it's a single serve cake. You don't have to share it with anybody.
Cake to go. Where did this concept come from?
So it's been around. I looked this up because I wanted to be accurate.
Yes.
And it's Japanese. In the 12th century, they had cake in little boxes.
Bento box cake.
We're very behind.
Oh, yeah, this is a trend that was a long time coming.
Yes.
A long time coming. You tested this out with your own girls.
Yeah. So we made it for their teachers for thank you for like Teacher Appreciation Week. And I actually had a teacher text me and say, this is the best thing. I needed this today. Can I eat it in my bathtub? I'm like, why wouldn't you? Like, why wouldn't you eat this in your bathtub?
I have a sign in my kitchen that says, eat cake for breakfast. And we occasionally do around a birthday, but why wait for a birthday?
Why?
Why wait for a birthday?
If it's a Sunday, here's a treat.
How do we get started?
So I wanted to show you that it can be customized to anything. And so we made a a customized Brooke Walker cake.
My face is on a cake. I think I have arrived at this moment. Do I eat it? Yes, I do. That is
yes,
so
we're going to eat it. So
that's the edible photo stuff?
This is actually an acrylic disc with a sticker on it.
Cute.
So anybody could do it. You don't have to find a printer.
You can be done by anybody. Thank you. Very fun.
They are baked in this little silicone mold, and you can do whatever cake mix you want. You have a favorite vanilla recipe, you do it. You want a cake mix to make it simpler, you're gonna do it. So you're gonna bake it in one of these and then
just fill it up like you would a cupcake.
Yes, it's actually the same amount you would put in a cupcake. So this is actually like this 2 cupcake servings.
Okay.
And so I like to freeze my layers before we get started because it just makes it a little bit easier.
Yeah.
And I've never been more nervous in my life to frost a cake as I am right now.
I hope it's not
with
me.
like all the cameras watching.
I hope it's my friends, the cameras, that are making you nervous.
So please don't judge me by the sloppiness of this
Studio
cake.
5 is a judge-free zone.
So let's just pretend this is like super cute.
It's perfect.
It's going.
I see perfection.
So we do a crumb cake, crumb coat. And then this pops right into the fridge to get chilled.
Let those layers set.
Yes, and then we're going to take one that this one's been done. So what I like to do is, it's gonna go in a cake. I don't wanna like manhandle it and get my fingers on it. So I'm actually gonna put it right in the box it's going to be delivered
Now,
in.
where are you getting these cute takeout containers?
Amazon.
Amazon, look at the lining though. That checkerboard is killing me.
These are my favorite. They come in all different colors and they're just super fun.
Amazon too?
Yeah.
All right.
It's all there.
Our friend Amazon. All right, what's next? I'll keep it this way.
We are going to make this cake. So
By we, you mean we?
I mean, I'm gonna, you did pretty good last time we baked together.
Okay.
So take the little smiley.
Okay.
And put that right in the middle.
And let's recap this trick. So an acrylic disc.
It's a 2-inch acrylic disc, and then I just took my Cricut and cut out a sticker. And so you can customize it with a picture. I did like your logo right here for Studio 5. Happy birthday, happy Mother's Day. Like the sky is seriously the limit when it comes to these cakes.
Yes.
So now you're just gonna like pipe away.
I feel like this could be my new thing.
Yeah.
You know?
Look at you.
Bento box cakes.
Oh my gosh, I'm out of a job.
No, you're not.
Look at that. Look at that border.
You've taught me everything. Well, listen, it's not that impressive.
So I made these, and I have a niece who is obsessed with baking, and she's always like, can we make cakes? And I was like, yeah, we're gonna make these. And I thought this would be so perfect for like a birthday party, and where like fall is coming, it's not as easy to find outside things. This would just be, you just get your own little cake for each child that's there and sprinkles, and you don't really need a lot of stuff, and they can make it however they want and personalized.
I'm over here pretending
Look
it's
so
normal.
Cute.
Come in. That I'm spooning my sprinkles with what is this?
It's a donut.
Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. Amazon too?
Yeah,
What? Where?
Amazon.
Oh my gosh. so fun. All right, we'll do a little sugar crystal.
Little sugar. Look it.
It would be fun though, you're right, for a party to just have a little bar out and you're all decorating your own little.
And like teenagers love it, adults love it.
Yes.
The little kids, they have no like end to how many sprinkles you can put on things and end just being up a mess.
So are these
They
two
don't
layers?
even care.
Two.
Yep, 2 layers.
Oh my gosh.
And so you can do any sort of buttercream, any filling, fruit, whatever. It really is super customizable.
Let's ask that intimidating camera right there to come over here.
Let's go, camera.
Look how cute you have decorated these as a little take-home treat.
This is the best part. So you can put whatever note you want. So here's my favorite box, and I love these boxes, and it's linked on my my profile.
Oh, good.
But you're just gonna like take the cute box.
Yes.
Take a cute ribbon.
Wrap it up with a gold plastic
Wrap it up.
fork.
We're gonna put a fork and a candle in there.
Let me be helpful.
You know, we got it.
Because everyone
Teamwork
needs
makes the
cake
dream
for
work.
breakfast or cake just because.
Just because. I mean, you have a neighbor that's having a hard day.
Yes.
I mean, look at
Oh
this.
my gosh, you're the cutest.
Candle,
You are the cutest.
washi tape.
All
you know.
right. Where can we find more from you, Amber?
So you can find me on Instagram, amcocakes.com, am.co.cakes.
Okay.
I have a link with instructions and then all the items I referenced here.
Okay, we'll hook you up with her Instagram so you can get those linkables, and I will be doing this with my daughter.
It's so
thank
fun.
you so much.
I hope they love
very
it.
fun, very fun.